Hi guys, so kakagising ko lang and sabog ako kasi galing ako sa inuman. Hindi ko alam, siguro mamaya mag-workout ako. Ewan ko mag-i-squat ako kasi nag-deadlift ako 2 days ago and masakit pa yung legs ko kasi nag-accessories ako nun ng legs. Bali nag-attempt ako ng 180 kg dun and ngayon hindi ko siguro kakayanin na mag 130 ay 140 kg PR. So since lasing nga ako and kita nyo naman yung eye bags ko, malaki-laki pa. Matulog ulit ako mamaya, no? Kasi yung oras ngayon siguro mga 9:20 ganyan something. Pero siguro mga hapon buhat ako. Tulog ako, hindi na ako kain. Kasi pagising ko kasi nga may hangover ako. Nagano lang ako, malamig ako na Royal. Para malamigan man lang yung ulo ko. Ayun, kumain naman. Medyo nakawala na yung hangover ko, no? Okay. So, squat tayo mamaya and try ko pa rin mag-leg accessories, back accessories, ganyan. Namiss ko na yung lat pull down sa baba eh. Hindi ko kasi magamit, man. Dito lang kayo mag-vape. Huwag kayo mag-vape or dispo pag nasa loob ng gym. Lagi niyo tatandaan yan. Okay. So, quick update lang mga men. Di ako nakatulog. Sabi ko, diba, for mag-workout na ako, matutulog muna ako bago mag-workout, ganyan. Pero, bad news is, di ako nakatulog. So, yun mga men, busin na natin yung kape ko and then gagayak ako. Ibihis ako. Handa ko na yung mga gamit ko pang gym, ganyan, yung mga gears. Gears. And, meet up na natin yung kapatid ko, then punta na tayo sa gym.
Said what's up, bitch, what's at it? Bitch, try to suck on my dick, on my tip, it's 40 right click, the grip on my grab on my hollow point tip, the lip, because if it's so on my way, bitch, move it, fuck it up, I got like way too many bangs, probably flooded up, but what I got in my pants, make a stomach fuck, they keep a strap up on my waist, I got a hollow tuck, like damn, move, out my way, got new money, come on, bitch, that my way, by the sense, what I die, catch a case, new whip, no keys, electric race, like what the fuck, you bitch, you check, you fake, you off the way, your face, the chaos, shoot your lens, my cake, 2 dicks, I got 2 twins, cause I'm blowing on this bitch, don't be talking nothing to my face, you wanna pull it when you get sprayed, fuck that, got 2 D's, so we got one for your bitch, and the other with a laser get tagged, like you go trick in the safe, if I took it to your bitch, like a red dot, beat to your face, and my money making money with your bands, go bitch, fuck around, I'ma pull up and I got you with a cash, like damn shit, what you click gon' do, won't slide you clear, what you blink gon' do, cause you pull up on my dime, what your bitch gon' do, come stop my pussy brain, my wrist gon' do, like damn shit, and they keep that boom, if it's over me, your bitch gon' choose, for $100 shoes, what your bitch gon' prove, when you see me going low, when you look confused,
Tell the pussy boy that I said step back, motherfucker wanna talk, but I'll get in the bag. I see the reason that the motherfuckers taking the bad. They know they never wanna be the one to step like that. Like, boom, bitch, you don't want this. I'ma pull up with a click, pussy wanna talk shit like every motherfucker wanna talk about another, but they never wanna be the one to pull up the numbers. See me do it going, now they wanna say I said so. Tell me why they never gave a minute from the get go. Tell me why they never wanna motherfucking let go. Tell me why my legacy is better be assessed on. You never need to plug up a dad glass, I go by, but the minute never go drive by, get slide by, spin it like a motherfucker, bend it up and down, on the ride, to the pick of the right side, the side night. Eat a drink, go bye-bye, make plays, get paid for my own time. Stay away from the motherfuckers trying to be the ones to take a plate to my day, my choose life. Free fledge on my chest, I stay in my best. They stay get mad that I beat when they do, I make you upset. I make you lose and now they cut me cause I get this some bread. But you were there when I was broken, now you think that we friends, forget it.
Happiness